Question 10J. Modulus of 1 minus x squared greater than 1 over 2. First, we use basic definition to define our modulus, where 1 minus x squared greater than 1 over 2, because of bigger than, we use definition of. Then 1 minus x squared less than, change the sign when we insert negative. For this quadratic, I will not move the 1 over 2 to the right hand side, because after I rationalize it to the right hand side, I will notice that my quadratic cannot be factorized in a well-factored value. It will come out a decimal. So means the factorized method cannot use. So how we solve it, I will show you a method where we change back to modulus. So negative x squared, simplify the value, I will get this greater than negative 1 over 2. Simplify the negative, change the sign, become positive 1 over 2. So I want to change back this x squared to modulus form. I will square root both sides. So when I square root both sides, this square root and square, it will become modulus of x. So now I can use the basic definition for the simple x less than square root 1 over 2. I define my modulus in simple way, which is less than square root 1 over 2 and negative square root 1 over 2. Rationalize the square root. It will become square root 2 over 2 and negative square root 2 over 2. So this is my answer for left hand side. Now we move on to right hand side. So same also, negative x squared will be less than negative 3 over 2. When I divide by negative, I change sign, it becomes positive. Then I square root both sides. So when I square root both sides, I will get back square root and square is a form of modulus greater than 3 over 2. Again, use basic definition to define our modulus, where x will be greater than 3 over 2 or x less than negative 3 over 2. So rationalize 3 over 2, it will be x greater than 6 over 2 or x less than negative 6 over 2. So this is my right hand side answer. How do I use the definition of OR? OR means I will going to combine my left hand side answer and my right hand side answer by using the method of union. Now we will draw our real number line where I will insert all these values. So here will be the smallest value, negative 6 over 2, followed by negative 2 over 2, then 2 over 2, then 6 over 2. For the left hand side answer, my answer is in between negative 2 over 2 until positive 2 over 2. For my right hand side answer, my right hand side answer is more than 6 over 2 at the same level, because this is come from the same number line here, at the same level less than negative 6 over 2. Because, okay, this is the right hand side answer, this is our left hand side answer, and we are going to union it. So we were going to shade it. Union it means this part of answer is involved, this part of answer also involved, this part answer also involved. Finally, conclusion will be x less than negative 6 over 2, and then in the middle part here it will be negative 2 over 2 less than x less than 2 over 2, and then here this part will be x more than 6 over 2.